Hi there, this is a new video. Welcome back to Amazing Gadgets channel. These gadgets and products, they are available on Amazon and Alibaba. If you need any product, just visit Amazon or Alibaba. If you're new here, subscribe to my channel, like the video, and click the notification bell for more videos. So let's see the products and hacks we've got in this video. This is a tool you can use for gallery. This is a small blender you can use for making different types of juice. It's really cool. This is a mobile phone holder. This is a small box you can use for your makeup stuff. This is another clip. Let's see what's in this fancy car. These are sunglasses. This is a cleaner you can use for the corners. This is a wipe you can use for your hands in your car. This is a mixing cup you can use for making coffee. This is another this is a tool you can use for cleaning your jewelry. These are wipes you can use for your face. This is another blender you can use for making different types of juice. It's easy to wash. This is an amazing bathtub. It's really cool. This is an electric brush you can use for your hair. This is another clip. This is another apartment. That's a small holder you can use for small items. This is a wallet you can use for your glasses. You can also use it for other small items. That's a hair dryer holder. This is a small box you can use for wipes and other items like remote controls. You can also use it for your mobile phone as a holder. This is a hanger. This is a small shelf you can use for organizing your stuff, and this is a small grinder. This is an electric tool you can use for killing insects. These are boxes organizers you can use for organizing your clothes. This is a small fan. This is a dispenser you can use for storing cereals. This is another juicer. So that's all we have in this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.